Disney today. Welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to be doing a Wednesday roll with me day. So this is my ditch day. It is the day that we don't go to the gym in the morning. So being that we always have something that we go to, like a cafe, a shop that we drive to. Here in LA, sometimes it gets very difficult to actually drive anywhere because there is a lot of traffic. But we've gone to places that are more LA based, and then Orange County. Orange County, always going in that direction, always seems to actually work more better for us because traffic is not as crazy, but it's always going towards LA that actually makes it more you're testing out the car. So if you hear that, that is the car being tested. We've been having issues with my daughter's car, and so you know, it's a little older car, so it's we're trying to get it figured out. But anyway, moving along. So basically, yeah, on Wednesdays we tend to go to cafe shops and things like that, and we go to LA, but traffic heading towards LA on a weekday tends to be a little bit more challenging. So we always end up going like around 11ish, and that is when traffic is a lot lower, and then come back within the 2-hour time frame so we can make it back in time and we don't hit like heavy traffic. But going to Orange County is always a lot better, less traffic. So definitely today we decided to do a Disney trip because we've always just done the weekend. So we wanted to do one, since we're kind of blocked towards the end of this month. We only had an opportunity to actually go on Wednesday. So we're going to go on Wednesdays to see how it turns out. So let's go.